What's going on, guys? Shady Views back at it again. Today we have this beautiful Volkswagen Passat. We're going to be removing the tint that's on it, and we're going to be doing a dark tint on this. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Alrighty, baby. So we get our headrest off, and we're about to cover up the back panel here because cleanliness is next to godliness. You guys already know that. Let's get it, baby. Now, you guys already know we are about to give it that steam work, baby. This is a purpled film. It's starting to get a little wavy, actually. I am hoping it comes off easy. And these are 50-50, man. You either get them off smoothly or it can take you 3 to 4 hours just to remove one rear glass. So we're gonna pray to the Lord and hopefully this thing goes well. Alrighty, guys, about 5 minutes into it, I've gotten a corner peeled, so I think we might make out okay. This is something that you gotta have patience for and just kind of work it little by little. Alrighty, guys, here it is. Film is out. It is a little dated, as you guys can see the lines there, but we are moving on to the rest of the car. Alrighty, a lot of the times these wind windows are going to be difficult to start removing, so sometimes I take my blade, make a slice in it and start pulling it, or I'll try to get it with pinky here and start pulling it. So I'm gonna heat it up really good with the steamer, get that thing going, and then we'll attack it. Guys, we have the side windows now. And let's get it, baby. Give it that good heat and just chill, let it ride. She'll do good. And these corners right here can get real tough, so you gotta heat up in there really good and pull away, baby. Pull away from that. Just like that. See? Look, it's starting to rip a little bit. Just take your time with it. Alright, guys, we have moved on to the passenger side, man. Let's get this vehicle done. I'm excited to put the new film on it. It's gonna look amazing. We're gonna go with 5% on the side, 15 on the rear, and we're gonna do a 30% on the windshield. This thing is gonna be decked out 1100. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we are doing the final window removal. There is a small piece that I'm gonna show you guys in the back that got stuck. We're gonna get that off. That's not gonna be a problem. Let's get this bad boy done, man. I'm gonna take and tape this up because the fuzzies are disgusting on Volkswagens. If you guys ever tinted a Volkswagen, you know what I mean. Comment down below, man, if you're liking this video. Also, if you have any questions or want to do a consult session about mobile window tinting, what you need, what you don't need, comment down below. I will reach out. We'll get on the call. Let's get it, baby. All right, guys, here we have a piece of tint that was left over and a little one here. You want to remove that before you install, because if not, it's going to be over. It's going to look bad. So we're about to hit the steamer and get it all off. All right, guys, time for the rear glass install. If you guys can hear the machinery around, the guys working, power tools. I'm at a dealership today, and this is for one of the service advisors, one of my long-time customers. Let's get it, baby. All right, baby, let's do the toppy now. Bottom's done. All right, baby, let's do this wing window. Good. Just like that. Look at that, guys. She is coming along. She's looking beautiful. Let's get this thing cleaned up. There's a little bit of glue left here. Get the glue out of here. Beautiful. Front window's challenging, huh? Took me a little while to get it done, but she will get done. Alrighty guys, we are almost done. We have front window, windshield to do. We'll be all wrapped up. So let's get this bad boy going, man. We gotta do a peel job here. Get this bad boy cleaned up. Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up. Alright guys, as you see, we're about to do this windshield and get it going. Let's get it, baby. Beautiful front windshield, we're about to do it. Gotta get it laid out. It is a little windy, so a tape job is definitely gonna come in handy when it comes to it lifting while you're trying to do your thing with it. So let's get it, baby. You want to say anything to the people? Alright guys, we are installing the windshield now. It's already on, we just have to squeegee it. Take our time and do it right. That's what we do, baby. Alright guys, and to finalize it, we're gonna clean all the windows and the door panels. Get this thing dialed in, man. Get my boy Johnny right. Looks beautiful. There you have it, guys. Look at that. Pink done. What y'all think, man? It's come out nice. Sheesh. Sick, baby. Let's get it, baby. Shady Views here to serve you, baby. Let's go.